Hello, it's autumn in Britain. Hello, we're back. Hello, welcome to Boulogne-sur-Mer. Hello, we're here at Equine Plaza.
Hello, welcome to Tallinn, Estonia.
Hi guys, and welcome to Bruges.
Hello, and welcome to
Wimarau.
It's felt like quite a journey. Welcome to Fairing Down this travel. Hello, you'll never believe what's happened. Well, you might, but pretend you don't. It's act surprised, alright? 1, 10 subs.
Have we got 10
Yeah,
subs?
our dreams-
Finally!
Our dreams have come true.
That is amazing.
Ooh.
We haven't got to 100.
100?
We haven't.
1,000 subs.
No.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Thank you so much. No way. Thank you so much. We're absolutely thrilled, aren't we?
We are, definitely.
Yes.
And really looking forward to our future travels.
Yes, please subscribe. Come travelling with us. Got so much planned. Here's some clips to show you. But really, the journey has just begun.